I got a dragonfly larva.
Oh my god, cool.
Pass them.
Yo.
Wait, I found one.
I think it's huge.
That's not
What is that?
It is.
We're here in Gloversville, Hale Creek Field Station. We are hosting the field day for Fonda-Fultonville School District. So we have a bunch of 7th graders down here on a field trip. We have seven different stations. We have the trout station here where kids can learn how to identify trout, learn a lot about the biology and you know how what trout like, how they live. And as we go around, there's the invasive species information station, bioaccumulation and food web information. We have an amphibian station. We also have a nature hike. They get hands-on experience here using seines and corralling the fish, catching them, just to get them used to handling fish and really get a hands-on look at the fish themselves. Well, as they start at a young age, they're exposed to the environment that they live in, gives them a greater appreciation for the environment and conserving it just to further our mission as DEC.
How are you catching these?
That one's really tiny, but he's
He's catching these little tiny things with tweezers.
It's
ridiculous.
Yeah, maybe.
I can't even keep up and I have a spoon.
So it reaches out.
Just put it down and
Those are hard to use.
I got it!
I found one.
Mr. Fast.
Right there.
Oh, really? That long?